the island recorded its first road fatality of 2025 in the early hours of Saturday, December 4th. A devastating collision on the Sir Julian Hunte highway claimed the life of 28-year-old Ivan Lucia'S, a resident of Grosley. He was a passenger on a red Suzuki Swift which collided with a blue-colored pickup truck.
On arrival at the scene, emergency personnel observed 5 persons requiring emergency assistance, one of which needed to be extricated and was found with negative vitals upon assessment.
Emotions ran high as passengers on the vehicle, as well as concerned friends who arrived at the scene after the collision, were overcome with grief upon discovering that their loved one had tragically lost his life in the two-car collision.
You killed
The Royal St. Lucia Police Force confirmed that 6 occupants were injured in the incident, with injuries ranging from lacerations to fractures and broken bones.
The remaining 4 each sustained injuries about the body. They were all assessed, treated, then transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care. The scene was subsequently handed over to officers attached to the Grosley police station.
Video footage of the wreckage in the aftermath of the crash inundated social media platforms on Saturday morning. Authorities have renewed calls for drivers and pedestrians to prioritize safety to avert future tragedies. Meanwhile, emergency responders were also dispatched to tackle a blaze on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025.
Responded to a structural fire at Basse Joseph. On arrival at the scene, fire personnel encountered a wooden structure completely destroyed by fire. The fire was extinguished. There were no occupants inside at the time of the incident.
The Royal St. Lucia Police Force has launched an investigation into the fatal vehicular collision, while the St. Lucia Fire Service probes the cause of the fire at Basse Joseph Castries. Officials urge the public to exercise vigilance to prevent further loss of life. Lucia'S Alfred, HTS News Force.